Alright, here we go. They're coming out of the woodwork. They're everywhere.
Thank you for warning us. We have to go under him and he's going to poop on us.
Oh, we gotta look under him. Oh, that's rude.
Hey, farting on me.
Oh, God.
We had Taco Bell.
He's farting on us.
And don't miss the amazing.
Look at all the clowns.
Yes, it's all inside here in our sideshow. Tickets just 10 cents. But
She is again.
Hey. He needs a raise.
Oh, it's an ice cream truck. Oh, my. Oh, boy.
We want ice cream. Woo! Woo!
Fast truck. I love it. Nice truck. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Look down over there. Ice cream cow. Oh, God. We're bailing out of the truck.
Admission is 1 finger.
Admission, 1 finger.
Fancy fingers. They really like fingers in here. 3, 2.
Oh, gee.
Yeah. Oh, you got sparky.
Vortex. Anyone?
The clown butthole.
Oh my. Oh god.
Yeah, I like that one.
Vortex.
Whoa! Whoa! What now? Oh! Yeah! You're crazy!
Yeah.
what are you doing?
We're gonna go out here. You.